गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वंस अगेन यू आर वेलकम बिहाफ ऑफ माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज मैं संडे के लिए मैं आप लोग के लिए स्पेशल क्लास लेके आया हूं, कन्वर्सेशन। प्रेजेंट टाइम आई सी मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट वांट टू टॉक वेल इन इंग्लिश बट दे कांट टॉक। व्हाई? व्हाट्स द रीजन? रीजन बहुत सिंपल है, आप जो है सो प्रैक्टिस पे ध्यान नहीं देते। कभी भी कोई भी चीज आप अच्छे से करना चाहते हैं, खास करके स्पेशली मैं बोलना चाहूंगा हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट के लिए। फॉर द हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट दे हैव लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम इन स्पीकिंग। तो चलिए मैं एक आप लोगों के बीच में कन्वर्सेशन लेके आया हूं। सपोज दैट आप एक अनजान व्यक्ति हैं और आपको ऐसे प्लेस में घूमने के लिए चल गए हैं जहां आपको कोई भी चीज के बारे में पता नहीं है, और वहां के आदमी से या कोई भी बॉयज गर्ल्स मैन वुमेन मिल जाए, उससे आप बात करना चाहे तो हाउ कैन यू टॉक इन इंग्लिश। तो मैं एक छोटा सा कन्वर्सेशन डाला, तो टू गर्ल्स आपके सामने देखिए किस तरीके से क्वेश्चन करेंगे, उस पर थोड़ा सा ध्यान दें।
Hello ma'am, good morning. Good morning. What's your name? Neha. What's the name of your town? The name of my town is Rajdhanwar. Are you a local person? Yes, I am. How is the location of Rajdhanwar? The location of Rajdhanwar is good. It is surrounding by river. How is the weather of Rajdhanwar? The weather of Rajdhanwar is good according to season. Which is the nearest town at Rajdhanwar? The nearest town at Rajdhanwar is Saria. Which is the neighbor town of Rajdhanwar? The neighbor town at Rajdhanwar is Saria, Kodarma and Jambua. How far is this from Saria? There are 30 kilometers Saria from Rajdhanwar. How can you go to? I can go to by two-wheeler, by bus and by auto. How much population are there at Rajdhanwar? There are population at Rajdhanwar is approximately 30,000. Is there any pollution at Rajdhanwar? Yes, there are lot of pollution at Rajdhanwar. Which pollutions? Noise pollution, air pollution and sound pollution. How many colleges are there at Rajdhanwar? There are two colleges at Rajdhanwar. Which is the most famous college at Rajdhanwar? Others College is the most famous college at Rajdhanwar. What's the literacy percent of Rajdhanwar? There are literacy percent at Rajdhanwar approximately 50%. Is there any tourist place? No. And is there any religious place? Yes, there are many religious places at Rajdhanwar, but most of the famous two places at Rajdhanwar like Nawadi and Jharkhand Dham. How many theater are there at Rajdhanwar? There are one theater at Rajdhanwar. What's the name of theater? Rajmani Cinema Hall. How many hospitals are there at Rajdhanwar? There are 10 hospitals at Rajdhanwar. Is there any private nursing home? Yes, there are many private nursing homes. What's the main occupation at Rajdhanwar? The main occupation at Rajdhanwar is business. How many schools are there at Rajdhanwar? There are many 50 schools at Rajdhanwar. How is the condition of electricity at Rajdhanwar? The condition of electricity at Rajdhanwar better than before. Is the condition of road of Rajdhanwar as well? The condition of Rajdhanwar roads, some places are well and some places are not well. Is there any problem of drinking water at Rajdhanwar? No. How many bus stands are there at Rajdhanwar? There are one bus stand at Rajdhanwar. Who is the MP and MLA at Rajdhanwar? Annapurna Devi is MP at Kodarma and Babulal Marandi is MLA at Rajdhanwar. How many coaching centers are there at Rajdhanwar? There are many coaching center at Rajdhanwar. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
तो अभी आप देख चुके हैं कि किस तरीके से क्वेश्चन किया है। इन द सेम वे आप भी, सपोज इफ यू वांट टू विजिट हियर एंड देयर एंड इफ यू वांट टू आस्क अ लोकल पर्सन हाउ कैन यू टॉक इन इंग्लिश, तो आप भी ऐसे सिंपल क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं। व्हेन यू सी, व्हेन यू लिसन, तो आप एक चीज पे ध्यान दिए होंगे कि स्टूडेंट्स जो है सो हमेशा इंग्लिश को बोलने का कोशिश करते हैं। वो जब सुनते हैं तो उसको लगता है कि आई कैन टॉक वेल इन इंग्लिश, बट when they begin to speak, they begin to hesitate. This is the biggest problem. So two more students, just they will come and they will speak the same question. आप देखेंगे दोनों में थोड़ा सा कैसे अंतर हो जाता है। तो चलिए टू पर्सन्स आप अभी मिलेंगे, आप देखें वो कैसे बात करता है।
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Sanwar.
What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Abdul.
What's the name of your town?
My town name is Rajdhanwar.
Are you a local person?
Yes, I am local person.
How is the condition of electricity at the Rajdhanwar?
Nowadays, electricity condition is good, better than before.
How is the weather of at Rajdhanwar?
Weather is good by weather and it's good weather now.
Which is the nearest town at the Rajdhanwar?
The nearest town is Saria and Giridi and Kodama.
How far is Saria from Rajdhanwar?
25 kilometers far Rajdhanwar from Saria.
How can we go to Saria from Rajdhanwar?
We can go easy by the car, auto, bus.
How much population at the Rajdhanwar?
At least population is 50,000.
Why is there no any pollution at the Rajdhanwar?
Because in this Rajdhanwar environment is good and weather is good, so I think pollution is not more in Rajdhanwar.
What's the literacy percent at the Rajdhanwar?
61% is literacy in Rajdhanwar.
Is there any tourist place at the Rajdhanwar?
No tourist place in Rajdhanwar.
Which is the best college at the Rajdhanwar?
Others college is the best college in Rajdhanwar.
How many theater at the Rajdhanwar?
There are one theater in Rajdhanwar.
What's the name of theater?
Rajmani Cinema Hall is the name of the theater.
How many schools are at the Rajdhanwar?
There are many schools in Rajdhanwar.
How many hospitals at the Rajdhanwar?
There are many hospitals at Rajdhanwar. More hospitals and government and private, both of.
Present time, how is the condition of electricity at the Rajdhanwar?
The electricity condition is good now. Before electricity is not good, but now electricity is good.
And water connection?
Water connection is better.
And what's the main occupation at the Rajdhanwar?
Business is the main occupation of Rajdhanwar.
Okay, nice talking to you.
Thank you.
So you have seen two girls, two boys. Both were talking in English about a local person, meeting a local person. Yeah, you can speak. Being an ignorant person and you want to talk something well in English. तो हाय गाइज, यदि आपको मेरा YouTube चैनल अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक एंड कमेंट सो दैट आई कैन गिव यू ऑलवेज नी एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्लासेस, क्योंकि आपको पता है विदाउट लैंग्वेज यू कांट टॉक वेल इन एनीथिंग।